Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Retailers' earnings will give a glimpse into how consumers are dealing with sky-high inflation and a of data offer a check-up on the health of the UK economy. Power problems will continue to plague Europe, while the central bank spotlight falls on New Zealand. Here's your week ahead in markets from Sujata Rao in London, Ira Lasaba Health and Lewis Cop in New York, Vidya Rangathan in Singapore, Ded Bimatawani in New Delhi, and Sumanta Sen in Mumbai. Investors will be looking out for what the biggest US retailers have to say on rising prices after a rare bit of good news on inflation in the past week, which report second quarter earnings on Tuesday and Wednesday respectively have frequently cut forecasts and warned inflation was squeezing margins and forcing consumers to reduce discretionary purchases. Retailers' outlook for consumer behavior will be key for investors looking to assess the pace of inflation. US consumer prices were unchanged last month. The large month-on-month deceleration of price interest since 1973. Other big retailers reporting include Home Depot on Tuesday and Lowe's the following day, while U.S. retail sales data set for Wednesday will give a broad picture of how the consumer is faring. With the Bank of England's die warnings still ringing in their ears, traders can expect no cheer from UK upcoming data. British consumer inflation figures for July due Wednesday will likely top June's print, heading towards 13% peg forecast for October. The BOE predicts a long and deep recession, evidence of which may come from July retail sales data out on 19 August. Sales slammed 5% year-on-year in June, while consumer confidence is languishing at its lowest nights since the UK labour market has so far been robust. Almost jobs were added in the quarter to May. However, adjusting for inflation by excluding bonus fall by the most since records began in 2001. Another such reading might emerge on Thursday, as rail workers prepare for more of the strikes that have plagued public transport this summer. Tight labour markets in New Zealand and Australia are making it difficult for both the inscrutable Reserve Bank of New Zealand and the more vocal Reserve Bank of Australia to find a middle ground in rate hikes. Investors are certain RBNZ Governor Adrian Orr is not yet ready to compromise on inflation and will raise rates by another 15 basis points on Wednesday, notwithstanding the slight easing of inflation expectation and cooling property prices. What the RBNZ signals about wage growth could sway current expectation for a peak policy rate of 4% early next year. Second quarter wage data in Australia is due this Sunday, and anecdotal signs suggest the tightest labour market in 5 decades also will set the RBA for 15 BPS next month, and for BPS of tapering in 4 months, a pace unseen since the Norway's central bank, meanwhile, is expected to hike rates when it meets on Thursday. It raised rates by 15 BPS in June, and some economists expect big hikes in August and September. Already feeling from gas supply shortages, Europe faces surging electricity price and possible power cuts as blistering summer weather sends weather levels to critically low levels in rivers, lakes, and reservoirs. Along the German Strait on the Rhine, barges can only sail with 40 loads of coal, threatening output at power plants, Norway experienced low rainfall after a winter with relatively little snow may keep hydropower export to preserve its reservoirs. Okay, maybe it's from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.